Artificial intelligence is no longer just science fiction. It's already reshaping the way we shop, how businesses manage their accounts, and even how decisions are made in boardrooms. From personalized product recommendations on Amazon to automated bookkeeping software used by accountants, AI has quietly become the invisible engine behind modern commerce. So, in this video, we will explore how artificial intelligence is transforming business with a special focus on commerce and accounting. If you are a student, an aspiring entrepreneur, or someone working in the finance industry, this is a must watch because understanding AI today means staying relevant in the business world of tomorrow. So, what is AI in business? So, artificial intelligence in business refers to the use of machines and algorithms to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. Things like analyzing data, recognizing patterns, making decisions, and even predicting future trends. Businesses use AI to increase efficiency, cut costs, and improve customer experiences. Think about it. When Netflix recommends a movie based on your taste, or when Amazon suggests a product that you didn't even know you needed, that's AI in action. In commerce, it helps companies sell smarter. In accounting, it ensures accuracy and saves enormous amounts of time. AI in commerce. Commerce, whether traditional or electronic, has been deeply impacted by AI. Let's see how. AI is at the heart of e-commerce personalization. Every time you log in to an online shopping site, AI studies your browsing behavior, your purchase history, and even your demographic details. This data allows businesses to give you customized recommendations, increasing the chances that you will make a purchase. For example, Amazon reported that over 35% of its sales come directly from AI driven recommendation systems. AI is also transforming customer service. Instead of waiting on hold for hours, customers now chat with AI powered bots. These bots can resolve basic queries instantly, and when the problem is complex, they transfer you to a human agent. This saves businesses millions while improving customer satisfaction. In addition, AI plays a major role in fraud detection. Online transactions carry risks, and AI systems monitor patterns in real time to flag unusual or suspicious activities. This protects both businesses and customers. So finally, AI is revolutionizing supply chain and logistics. From predicting demand trends to optimizing delivery routes, companies like Walmart and DHL use AI to reduce waste and speed up delivery. This means that AI doesn't change the way we shop, it changes the entire journey of our product from the warehouse to your doorstep. AI in accounting. Accounting is one of the fields most disrupted by AI because it is heavily dependent on repetitive, data driven tasks. Let's explore this in detail. First, automation of bookkeeping. Traditional accountants used to spend hours recording transactions and balancing ledgers. And now, AI powered softwares like QuickBooks, Xero, and Zoho Books can automatically categorize expenses, reconcile bank statements, and prepare financial reports. This doesn't mean accountants are out of jobs. It means they now focus on high value tasks like analysis, planning, and decision making. Secondly, fraud detection and auditing. AI system can scan millions of transactions in seconds. identifying anomalies that human might miss. Deloitte and KPMG, two of the world's largest accounting firms, are already using AI to assist auditors in detecting irregularities and preventing financial fraud. Third, real-time financial analysis. Businesses no longer wait until the end of the month to know their financial health. AI dashboards provide live updates and predictive insights, helping managers take quick, informed decisions. For example, an AI tool might alert a company that their cash flow will be under pressure in the next quarter, allowing them to act before it becomes a crisis. So, finally, tax compliance and reporting. AI ensures that businesses stay aligned with changing tax laws, reducing the risk of penalties. In countries like US and UK, companies are already experimenting while AI tax advisors that can guide them through complex regulations. So let's have a case study and some real life examples here. First example that we have is of Amazon. Amazon uses AI not only for product recommendations but also to predict inventory needs, helping the company minimize cost while maximizing sales. And if we look to the Shopify integrates AI into its e-commerce platform to help small businesses optimize pricing strategies and understand customer behavior. Deloitte applies AI tools in auditing, helping its auditors process huge data sets in hours instead of weeks. And then we have QuickBooks. QuickBooks AI assists small business owners by automatically categorizing transactions and even predicting cash flow. So these examples show that AI is not limited to tech giants. Small businesses and individual professionals are also benefiting. Let's have a look on some advantages of AI in business. AI brings several benefits. It improves efficiency by automating repetitive tasks, reduces errors by minimizing human mistakes, and increases profitability by predicting customer behavior and optimizing resources. Perhaps the biggest advantage is that AI provides businesses with the ability to make data-driven decisions. Sometimes that is critical in today's competitive environment. So let's have a look on some challenges and risks of AI. Of course, it's not all perfect, so AI also brings challenges. One major concern is the loss of jobs in certain repetitive roles as machines take over tasks previously done by humans. Another risk is data privacy. AI systems rely heavily on personal data, and if not managed properly, they can lead to misuse. There is also the ethical question: how much decision making should be given to machines instead of humans? Okay, so let's have a look on the future of AI in commerce and accounting. Looking ahead, AI will only become more deeply integrated into commerce and accounting. We can expect more advanced predictive analysis where businesses not only understand what customers want today but also predict what they will want in the future. In accounting, AI might evolve into virtual financial advisors that provide real-time strategies for both individuals and businesses. The key takeaway is that AI is not replacing humans, it is empowering them. Accountants, managers, and entrepreneurs who understand AI will have a competitive edge, while those who ignore it risk becoming irrelevant. So, artificial intelligence is not the future, it is the present. From the way you shop online to how companies managing their books. AI is already changing commerce and accounting in a powerful way. The smartest thing you can do right now is to stay informed, adapt, and use AI as a tool for growth. So, if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel Learn with Eamon Javed for more professional, future-oriented lessons on business, accounting, commerce, English, and many more. So, don't forget to hit the like button, share this with your friends, and comment below with your thoughts. Do you think AI will replace accountants, or will it only make them stronger? So, see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and happy learning.